So after understanding the steps and the drawing dimensions, let's start with our drawing sheet. So suppose this is your drawing sheet. Suppose this is your drawing sheet and you have to draw it. So first step is what? First step is understand the line plan. So all of you understood the line plan as I explained in the first video. Okay, so let's go with the second, that is set our scale according to drawing. Okay, so first of all you have to measure your drawing sheet like this. If this is my drawing sheet and this drawing sheet is of having 29 centimeter, that is 30 centimeter. Okay, so 15 centimeter I can draw. Okay, so after that we have to at third step is what? Third step is at corner, draw north direction and the scale. So if this is corner of our drawing sheet, then we have to draw the north direction. Draw with scale, cause I am not having the roller scale, so I can draw it with a free hand, but you draw with a scale, means proper scale. Use the drafter also if you are having. If not, you can use the. And then if wording, how to draw the wording, let's see. Draw simple one line which is faint, it is not seen with your eye. After that, going by point 5, then point 5, then draw second a reference line which is also not visible with your we can erase it, draw it. After that, in between these two lines, draw the north direction, that is N. Okay, after that scale. For the scale, same, you have to follow. Draw one reference line. After that, measure it with the point 5. Draw again second reference line which will be erased. After that, write down the scale. Which is in capital letters. Okay, and equal to which scale you have to come with. If I am taking 1:100, and write down into line in centimeter. Okay, after that, erase these two lines. In between this, erase these two lines such that you can see only this wording. I am not having the small eraser, you can use that to erase lines between the wording, so that you can erase only the lines, not the final wording. Like that, you have to erase all the unnecessary lines in between this wording. I'm not having the small eraser, that's why it is having the problem, but you get that and properly erase that lines, unnecessary lines. So this is our first step we followed, that is set our scale. according to drawing sheet. After that, at corner draw north direction, so we are drawn actually. After that, draw marginal lines. So as I already told you that marginal lines at the right side, it will be 2 centimeter, that is 20 mm. On other hand, on the right side, it will be 10 mm or 1 centimeter. On top and bottom also, this dimension is there for the margins. So first of all, let's draw the marginal lines. So take the dimensions from the left side, that is 2 centimeter. So I'm taking 2 centimeter at bottom, at middle, and after at top, and I'm just drawing this line coinciding this 3 point, 1 2 and the 3 point. Okay, so these are the 3 point. It is 1, which is 2 from the left side, this is second point, and this is third point. Like this, you have to first of all point out the 2 centimeter from the left side, and after that drawing this 3 point, just join it like that. For the right hand side, I am just pointing 1 centimeter for the bottom, 1 centimeter for the middle, and 1 centimeter at the top. After that, join these 3 lines as I'm having the lesser dimension. So don't this is wrong actually. Don't go in the marginal lines. Okay. After that, at the top and bottom, draw 3 dots with the 1 centimeter. This is at the middle, 1 centimeter, and the corner at 1 centimeter. After that, just draw this point. So to draw these marginal lines, be careful, as this marginal line you can use for your reference lines also. So like that, draw for the top also. So draw it for the top also. So like this, you have to draw these marginal lines. Okay. After that, our fourth step is completed. Then our fifth step is draw reference x and y axis. So in the middle of your drawing sheet, this is your drawing sheet. Okay, so in this drawing sheet, just draw the reference lines, which is give you the reference for the to draw x and y axis, which is having the faint lining, so that you can erase it after full drawing. Okay, so I'm just drawing, and before you taking this reference line, you have to refer these lines. Means if you are having the roller scale, now I'm not having the roller scale, so I'm just taking this like this. But if you use roller scale, and just this is y-axis at the middle of your drawing sheet, or you can take at the corner, so that you can draw the plot size also. Means you can middle it in between from this portion to this portion. So middle portion is this, so refer the lines as this is your middle portion. Okay, So draw this reference line y-axis which is very faint. After that, x-axis at the middle. So for x-axis, refer this line and draw. Okay, so you are drawing that. Okay, after drawing, just notify it as a y in a faint, x. Okay, after that, your next step is draw the nameplate. Okay, so draw your nameplate at the corner which is 75 by the 150, but as my sheet is smaller, I am using small dimension, but you use it on A1 sheet as a 75 by the 150, that is 150 mm here and the 75 mm here. Okay, I'm just showing you. Just refer this x y axis to draw the vertical line with your roller scale like this. Okay, so pointing as a 150 on your scale, 15 is here, but as my drawing sheet is smaller, I'm taking 7.5 here. After that, draw one line at 3.75, 3.54. okay, I'm taking just 4 cause my drawing sheet is smaller. So just referring this line y-axis, draw this nameplate. Then erase that extra line on both sides. After that, draw your nameplate with proper dimension. I am just drawing freehand because it is not that much important as already you explained. After that, draw in between the middle lines, which is, if it is 1 meter 1.5, then just draw 7 mm. Okay, okay, like that. You have to draw two faint line in between that sheet, which will be erased after texting. After that, name of college, so in between that, capital letters, name of college. Like that, you have to text all the nameplate, name of college, then year, name of uh, name of student, then title of sheet, then uh, then your date. After name of student, you can also write the department, that is your branch, and here roll number, title, date, and after that your check by and marks. So all this necessary data in your nameplate. Okay, after drawing nameplate, you have to draw with a development plan. Okay, so you are having the line plan. Okay, so line plan is of 15.76 to 13.61 on your scale is 1:100. Okay, that means you have to draw 15.76 in your sheet, but it is not set in your sheet, so I am just increasing our scale as if I'm taking the 1:150, then it will be 1 centimeter is equal to 1.5 meter. So I'm just taking 1:150. Okay, after that just draw, means 1:150 means if there is a 15.76, then you have to convert it with the dimension, as 1 centimeter is equal to 1.5 meter. That means if there is a 15.76 means how much meter, centimeter, so you have to convert it. After that, if it is coming 10 point or something, so I'm just showing you how to draw development plan. After that, going to with this reference line, draw the first horizontal line with 15.76 size. If this is 15.76 into this is to this 15.76. okay, don't write this dimension, I'm just, because to understand this I'm drawing. After that, this is 13.61. okay, so just draw it as a 13.61 with a reference line. Make sure your dimension is correct. After that, draw this total box with our reference line, using reference line. This is reference line, so draw it with a horizontal line with this. After that, this is our reference line, so draw it with this dimension. So box is drawn. Okay, so all the box is drawn, right? So after that, we have to draw this internal dimension, means your wall. Okay, so how to draw the wall? Exterior wall is of having the dimension 0.23. External wall, how much dimension? External wall 0.23, internal wall equal to 0.15. adds, also you have to convert it into the your scale. ओके, स्केल में कन्वर्ट करके आपको ये यूज करना है, ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट स्केल में कन्वर्ट करके आपको वॉल का, एक्सटर्नल वॉल का डायमेंशन निकालना है, और वो डायमेंशन हर जगह पे देना है, क्योंकि इन योर प्लान ऑल द एक्सटर्नल dimensions are having the external wall. Okay, so just do it with giving the offset to first line with your wall dimension with 0.23, then convert it with a 0.23 like this. You have to mention it. So after mentioning the wall thickness, just draw it, totally draw total. Okay, after that after drawing this external wall, we are intermediating the internal wall. Okay, so let's see first where the internal wall. So first internal wall is at 6 meter, then second internal wall is at 3 meter from the wall facing dimension. So wall facing dimension, so first is at 6 meter, so divide it with the 6 meter, that is your 6 meter into 1 point, convert it into the scale and less the dimension. So if this is your 3 meter, after that draw internal dimension. Internal wall is having the 0.15, so draw it with the 0.15. then after that 3 meter is the in between dimensions, right? So 3 meter. After that internally 1.5 meter wall, so that wall, after that 6 meter. So this internal dimension from this side is okay. After that draw internal dimension with from the topmost side. So in topmost side having the three wall, having the here is the one wall which is at 6 meter, this is 1.5 meter, at this is 1.5 meter, and then over. So after that going through the upper side, so 6 meter wall, so we can draw with this. So 6 meter, then 1.5 meter wall, then our WC to 1.5 from face to face. After that 1.5 from face to face. After that your kitchen, sorry, wall, there is wall 0.15. After that face to face one, the dimension 1.5. After that there is a wall, so all these walls are there. After that for the horizontally there is only one straight wall. Looking at the diagram, there is only one straight wall, so it is having the 1.5 because it is partition wall, internal wall. Okay, it is having the dimension from 8 meter. Okay, so just mark it from the here 8 meter, and from here 8 meter. And after that the wall dimension 0.15, wall dimension 0.15. Okay, so in this line plan, this line and this line is equal, this line and this line is having the same, and this line is same. So first of all draw these same lines. So I'm just drawing these same lines. Sorry for this line. Okay, so I'm just erasing it. After that again one straight line is here, so just draw this line. I'm not having the proper table, that's why. So after drawing this, only the WC is remaining, right? So WC having the 2 meter here, so just refer this reference line Y and just draw 2 meter line and wall. Okay, so here the wall is completed. Okay, after drawing these outlines, these are the outlines. After drawing this outline, जो भी इंटरनल का ये रहेगा ज्वाइनिंग लाइन, जहाँ पे हम लोग को ज्वाइनिंग नहीं देना है, वॉल और इंटरिंग, सो जस्ट इरेज इट. आई एम हैविंग not having the small eraser, but I'm just trying to draw. Just erase that in between the lines. Okay, after that this passage is erased because in the figure there is no lines in between this passage, so we can erase this passage drawing. Okay, after that there is an opening here, so first of all we have to consider it the our door and window. Okay, after erasing all the unnecessary lines in between the walls. ओके, जो भी अननेसेसरी लाइन है जॉइंट पे, वो उड़ाने के बाद आप लोगों को क्या करना है कि यहाँ पे आपका जो डायमेंशन है, आपका स्टेयरकेस या विंडोज एंड ओपनिंग वो देना है. ठीक है, इफ यू आर विंडो सॉरी ओपनिंग हैविंग द 1.2, so just note it as a 1.2, and 1.2 just draw it and erase between the lines. After that here is your open door, here is your door with proper dimension, notify with the proper dimension. After that here is your wall, and here is your WC wall. always your door is in between this, closer to the wall. After that, just erase that so that we can draw the door. Okay, like that. And there is also one door is here, so erase it also. After that, erasing all the openings, let's give the opening. Here is our door, right? Here is also door, here is also door, and here is also door. So 1 2 3 4 and 5 door is there, and 2 openings are there. So just draw the door which is always opening from the wall side. So like this you have to draw the symbol of your door here. After that, here is the door symbol. Okay, after that I'm just drawing freehand, but you cannot, you use this scale. Okay, so these are the doors are drawn. After that, give the dimension there. D2. Why D2? This is most first door, which is hall door, having the more dimension. D1 having the staircase also. After that, this opening, this is D1, same dimension in D1, same dimension D2, and more dimension, so D1. Okay, after that, draw your staircase dimension as I shown you the calculation in the PPT. Also send you that PPT calculation. So behind to draw that, use that calculation and draw this staircase with left with your landing dimensions. So after that, giving the window shown in the, so window is, here is the one window, here is the one window, here is one window, and here is the one window. Chhaja is for this and this and this. So draw it with your scaler, proper lifting the scale. Draw your dimension of window. I am just showing you. Okay, chhaja is only for this window and this window. So with the scaler I am drawing freehand, but you use the scale. After that, for this wall, the window are 1 2 windows, so having the chhaja. So this one vertical, like that. So this is our window. Then for this wall there is one window, two ventilators, and again window. Okay, so one window, windows. After that there is a ventilators, and this is chhaja for the window. Chhaja for the window. Chhaja for the window. After that, for this wall there is a one window here, one window here. So there is a one window. This is kitchen ota. Okay, So after drawing these doors and window, give their notations. Means if this is a window, then give it as a window 1, window 1. If this window 2, then window 3, sorry, window 3, window 3, window 3, window 3, window 4, window 4. Okay, like that. And this is ventilators V. Okay, after giving this, if uh, after giving this, notify the rooms. Okay, so I'm just notifying with reference line, means draw first